Hi guys, this is Tabish and you are watching this video on Tashify YouTube channel. I just can't stop to watch this video because I'm very excited. I have just seen the HBO has the trailer HBO has launched for Game of Thrones season 8, and that looks epic. This is really coming now. So after this long time of waiting, so I think it's gonna be amazing. I already guessed so many things that many people gonna die in this one, and I think I have heard it gonna be 7 or 8 episode in total, and every episode this time will be longer than the normal one because it's gonna be 2 hours instead of 1 hour, I think so. But I'm not so sure about that, so let's see what happen. I don't want this to finish actually. And then I think some of the characters, as I told you before, are gonna die, but it's gonna be so much fun to see that fight between these two dragons which are left on this side, and those the one dragon which became some ice dragon now. And I don't know, I don't think so Cersei will die, but let's see. I think I'm very excited about that. So this was like my reaction to the Game of Thrones season 8 trailer. And think about, I mean, they have launched it 24 hours ago, and it has already reached to 25 million views, which means like 1 million view every hour. It's insane. I have not seen something like this before, but I think Game of Thrones is the best is show on this, I would call it, planet. Ah, I'm very excited. Thanks for watching this, and hopefully you will enjoy it. You watch it with some good sound system. It's gonna be and on a big screen. That's gonna be so good. Thank you for watching it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.